What's up, guys? Daniel Elias fishing here. Today I am with my buddy Brendan. You haven't seen him in a while, probably since last summer, man. I think we got out to Saguaro. But today we are on Bartlett. I have not been here in a long time. The lake is completely full. I mean, to the brim. You're not going to get another inch of water in here. So don't know what to expect. It's a little windy. It's hot. I mean, it's really hot out here. We're out here in June, and I think the summer bite should be kicking in, but we had a pretty late spawn, so you could see maybe up the river some fish that are still in a post-spawn pattern. I might start up there, Brendan, and see what's going on. But as always, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for leaving those comments. Leave a comment, like it. Definitely like that video and subscribe if you haven't. But we're going to see you in just a minute, see what we can do out here.
What happened?
He came up too fast. When I was reeling.
What was that?
That was
on?
a pretty good fish too.
What was that on?
Max that flatworm.
You want to show the people? Well, he threw it out.
Brendan, was that one of my Mexican flatworms?
That was one of mine, but you might have
Okay,
it too.
at least it wasn't mine. But yeah, I showed him where to cast, and he lost it.
Yeah, I lost it.
Oh well, we'll let it slide this
Brought
time.
it up too fast.
They're gonna be in here somewhere. Maybe I can catch one on a shaky head, man. I haven't caught one on a shaky head in a while.
Oh my god, dude. I lost my whole tackle thing.
Shut up.
Yeah, it's gone. It sucked, huh? It's got floaty things in it. Can we go look?
Let's look.
Dude.
I didn't ever see it.
I had it here and I knew I should move it, and I didn't. Dude, I can't believe that. That's hundreds of dollars.
Yep.
I didn't even, we hit some bumps and I didn't even think I should have been holding it down. Dude. Damn it. I don't think it's going to float. Sorry, Daniel, I should have been paying attention. Dude, my car keys are in that and my phone. I can't even get home. I can't even get to my house. Oh, dude. Right there. Where? I see it straight ahead. Get ready to get on the front, Brendan. Oh, dude, I do see it. Get on the front. A little more, Daniel, a little more. I don't care about the base, I care about my phone.
Alright, let me drop the trolling motor and we'll start picking some.
Oh, dude.
Just set it there. We'll grab whatever we can.
My phone still works. Right. Hold on, I gotta grab some stuff out. This can't get wet. Oh. Thank you so much for going back.
I'll work on this stuff.
Thank you so much for going back, dude.
Of course. Alright, you just start grabbing. Just throw it in the deck.
Dude, oh my god, I can't believe we found my tackle. My car keys are in there.
I'm coming. Stay there. I'll take it.
Dude, they're everywhere. couldn't get wet.
No, go ahead.
Oh, dude, I can't believe my phone still works. It's in the compartment.
I can grab it.
There's only a couple left. I got this. All right. Just drive me by and then, oh my. I know not to leave that there again.
Oh, we got lucky.
Dude, are you kidding me?
I was like,
That thing's so heavy. That thing is so heavy.
I'm like, I see it. All right, back here. Just making sure we didn't lose anything else.
Alright. Oh, wow. Dude, I'm giving you a hug. Oh!
We got it. That's a weed.
Oh, dude, imagine if you would have had to drive me home to find my spare key. Like, oh. Two more.
Oh, we got one over here.
Two
too.
more,
I didn't
one.
see that one. At least
No, that's
you-
the one I missed. I couldn't just get it.
Oh, okay.
You took me right by it.
Let's see what this one, that one, and what we did.
Oh, wow. My inhaler.
Get it?
Yeah, last one. Then I'll put all this stuff away. I can't believe it didn't sink. It has all my weight in it, dude.
Lucky. Because it was still chock full of air.
Yeah, and there's.
You gave that another minute or two and it would have sunk.
Oh yeah, absolutely. If I hadn't noticed and we weren't coming back, because it was going down. It was already starting to fill with water.
Woo. Come on up, Brendo. Oh, yeah. Boy. Come up to the front.
Maybe I
That
was
way
wrong.
the camera can see.
Maybe I was
Guys,
wrong.
Brendan got a pretty good one for this leg. A real good one.
He still wants to fight me. Yeah, I got a real good one.
These look pretty good.
Oh, come here. Come here.
Woo.
Yeah, he is hooked really good. He wasn't getting off.
All right, so hold on. Show that to the camera. I want you to kneel down real quick because I want to tell him something. So Brendan finally got a good one. I mean, a real good one for this lake especially. What's interesting, look at his fins. They're tore up. It's almost like he's still spawning, and it's June. But you can let him go. But I'm going to tell you something. What you've seen is Brendan lost his entire tackle bag. I'm talking the whole thing. Giant Plano bag. And it apparently was sitting on the deck. Neither one of us saw it there. And we took off running down the lake. And all of a sudden we stopped to go fishing. And Brendan's like, my tackle bag's gone. So picked up the trolling motor, ran down the lake. We're looking for it. I'm like, dude, this thing had to have sunk. And all of a sudden, way off on the distance, I see this red thing. And I'm like, dude, I see it. So we booked it over there. You probably saw the footage of Brendan grabbing it, pulling over the bow. But we got everything back, including his car keys, his phone, his wallet. Everything was in there. So we got it back and he caught a good fish. Nice job, dude.
Gotta get my drag dialed in.
That's your new reel. How you like it?
Man, this is the new reel. Come here, guy. All right, got one on the brand new spinning reel. That is the Revo SX spinning reel. It's actually the first time I've thrown it, and I liked it. Had to get the drag dialed in, but it worked, so we'll keep going. Think we can get another one, Brendan?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Good one?
Try to take it around to this side, guys, so you can see them.
that much better fish.
So, listen, the bite's really tough. So, what I did, I'm trying to block the sun here. I know it's bright. What I did was I went to a Wacky Rig General, just because it's been so tough. So, I've got a few bites right away on it. So, stick with it for a little bit. I don't think the fish are in a full-on summer pattern yet, and I think that's kind of the main deal, right? Like, they're still in kind of a post-spawn pattern. So, I'm gonna work our way back into some coves and stuff, and really slow down and fish more of a post-spawn pattern as opposed to a summer pattern, because the summer pattern just didn't pan out. You know, we'll see what happens, but we're off to a decent start.
Whose fault is it? Did you just switch up your bait?
Yeah.
Right away. First half.
Shape 108. Bud, shape 108. We grab that front real quick.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I figured I'm sick of getting bit on a Wacky Rig. It's cool, but it's too slow for me. So, pulled out the Shape 108 and caught that one. His back's a little messed up. Looked like a bird was eating on him when he was young or something. But Shape 108 coming through. We got to get a new one. This one's tore up, but that's cool. At least they're biting. Sun's getting a little bit lower, and I'm sure that makes a difference too. You know, heat of the day when it's so hot in June, it's tough to get. It's tough to get bit sometimes in the middle of the day. So that was cool. Get another bait.
That would hurt your boat,
That might be
dude.
a better one, but I'm stuck on that stick. I got it.
It's like the time now.
No, it's a little guy. Hey, I couldn't let Brennan have all the fun, so I had to pick the general back up.
Catching a fish often.
Woo! No. Come here. You done? Thank you.
I like the colors on that stuff. You can make some good bass.
Oh, that might be a good one.
Bring that around to this other side there.
I'm working on it. He's not that good, but at least he's better quality a little bit.
For this lake,
You
I'd
like
take
that
him.
reel, don't you?
Yeah, the reels are solid, man. That, it's fat. Take him. So yeah, but that Revo SX, man, that's a killer reel. I like it. I'm digging it a lot. I've had it. That's the first time I've strung it up and thrown it, but it's working.
And that line?
Dude, the line is legit.
How are you, man?
Good, dude. You guys hanging out this,
Smash burger. You eat smash burger?
Are you making burgers?
Smash burger.
I mean, I never turn down food, but you know, how's Pete's the man.
No barking. Sit down.
There you go, bud. 2 burgers.
Dude. Well, I'm gonna have to bring some fish.
How does this go? Huh? Warmer up. Thank you.
What I'm worried about is the next time you show up here, I won't have good enough food for you. 3 times the charm, I'm gonna have nothing.
You're setting a heck of a precedent. I appreciate that.
See you, bud.
Hey, Happy Memorial Day. Thanks, Pete. Appreciate you, brother.
We share.
I know. It's the Pete's the best. Thank you. By the way, y'all, that was our buddy Pete up at the dock made us burgers because why not? Awesome guy, an awesome burger even. He's always got that Green Mountain Grill. I think he's always grilling on. So pretty cool. Appreciate the burger, and we're gonna go back out and fish just a little more. Good, right?
That's awesome. Great time.
All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for tonight. Sun's going down. We're going to stay out for a little bit, see if we can catch some. The bite was not fantastic by any means. Brendan caught our big fish. We caught a lot of little ones, but not a great bite. Certainly not tournament quality fish. The wind was blowing really hard, so to be honest, we just tried to get out of the wind. But thanks again for watching, guys. Leave me a comment. Let me know how we did, and we'll see you on the next one.